Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10 triangles exercise 10.3 question number 1 to 9 of ML Agarwal class 9 mathematics. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start solving this exercise here in this video. Let us solve here exercise 10.3 question number 1 where ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree and AB is equal to AC. Then we have to find the angle of B and C. So simply we can write here as AB is equal to AC given to us. So this is the part which is given to us, and if it is 90 degree and AB is equal to AC, we can simply say that angle B is equal to angle C because the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal only. According to the rule, angle opposite to equal side are equal. So from here we can prove that angle B is equal to angle C. Now we can simply find the value of angle B and angle C by writing it as, firstly, because angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because the sum of the angles. Now firstly we can write it as angle B is equal to angle C. So angle 2B we can write and 180 degree minus 90 degree. So it will be angle B is equal to 90 divided by 2. So it will be angle 45 degree. So from here we can write angle B is equal to 45 degree and angle C is equal to angle B from here. Hence angle C is equal to 45 degree only. So this is the answer here in this question. Let us solve the question number second. So that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Means this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. So we have to prove this part. So to proving this side, firstly we can take the angles here as angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So in equilateral triangle, we have AB equal to BC equal to CA. And as we know, the angle opposite to the angles of equal side, we have equal angles. So from that, we can write that ABC. Here, this ABC is the angle of opposite side BA and BC is equal. So we can write that this angle, this angle, this angle is equal. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAC and this is equal to angle ACB. Simply now we can write it as angle 3ABC equal to 180 degree, which will be on cancelling, we will get 60. So angle ABC is equal to 60 degree from here. Hence proved. Now angle ABC is equal to angle BAC and this is equal to angle ACB. Hence proved from here. Let us solve the third question here, which is show that every equiangular triangle is equilateral. So let us take a triangle here which is ABC, and here put all the angles as equal, means angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C, and the given information to us, if the opposite sides of a equal angle are same, means if this is the two angles, so that BC is equal to AC here. So we can simply write as here AB equal to BC equal to CA from the information that sides opposite to equal angles, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. From here we can prove this, and hence proved from here. Let us solve the question number 4, first part, which says that here AB is equal to AC. From the diagram we can see that AB is equal to AC given. We have to find the value of X here. So this part is given. Now we can simply say that these two angles are equal because the opposite sides are equal. So we can write it as angle B is equal to angle C because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Two equal sides are equal. Now simply we can write it as B equal to C. So 50 degree plus 2B from here is equal to 180 degree. So 2B is equal to 180 degree minus 50. So it will be angle B 130 degree divided by 2. This will be 65 degree from here, and B is equal to 65 degree. Now simply we have to find the value of x. So be- because the opposite if the angle is exterior angle, we can add the two opposite angles of a triangle inside the triangle. So this is the rule here. So we can simply write it as angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to x degree. So it will be from here BAC is 50 degree as given only. Angle A is 50 degree. Angle ABC, here angle B is 65. So we can simply write it as 65 equal to x. So on adding this, we will get 115 as the value of x. So this is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the fourth second part here. In this question, we have to find the value of x. Simply, we have RPS as 30 degree because PR is equal to RS as given in the question. PR is equal to RS. We can simply write angle RPS is equal to angle RSP from this, because angle opposite to equal side are equal. From here we can write angle this, and this is equal to 30 degree. So we can simply write this as 30 degree. Now we can add 52 plus 30 here to find this angle QPS. From here we can write angle QPS is equal to angle QPR plus angle RPS. So it will be 30 degree. Firstly it is QPR as 52 degree. Then this is 30 degree here. So it will be 82 degree. Now simply we have to find the value of x. So we will put all the triangle sum as 180 degree, means x degree plus 82 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree from here, and we can write it as 180 degree minus 112. So it will be 8, and here 17 minus 11 is 6, so 68 degree. So the value of x is 68 degree. From here we can conclude. So this is the final answer here in the second part. Now let us solve the third part here, in which we have to find the value of x. So simply we can write here as CD is equal to CA. This is the given part here. So we can simply write it as angle CDA is equal to angle CAD, as the opposite angles are equal because of opposite sides are equal. So now we can write it as this is equal to these angles are equal here. So similarly, we can write here also as this is 27 degree and this is the side which is equal to DB. So we can write again DB is equal to DC. So here angle DB C is equal to angle DCB. So it will be 27 degree from here, because of the same logic which we have used here of equal angles opposite to equal sides. So similarly, we have 27. We can write it as x, and here this is the same angle only. Now here we can find the value of BDC. So it will be BDC is equal to 180 degree minus DBC, angle DBC, and minus again we have angle DCB. So we can write it as 180 degree minus 27 plus 27 here as what, 27 into 2, 4, 50, 54. So 180 degree minus 54. So we can simply write here 6, and 17 minus 5 will be 12. So 126 degree is the value of BDC. Similarly, we can find the exterior angle here, so that we can find the value of this x, and here this one part. So we can, to find the value of angle ADC, angle ADC, this will be, this is a straight line, so we can simply write it as 180 degree minus 126 degree, which will be 4 here, and here as 17 minus 12 will be 15. So this we can write 54 degree, sorry, 17 minus 12 will be 5, and this will be 54 degree. Similarly, we can find because these two sides are also equal, AC and DC, so the opposite angles will be equal, means this will be 54 degree, this will be also 54 degree. So now we can write it as 180 angle DCA is equal to 180 degree minus angle CDA minus angle DAC, which will be 180 degree minus 54 and here minus 54. So it will be 180 degree minus 8 and here 108 degree. On subtracting this part, we will get 2 and here 17 minus 12 will be 72 degrees. So the final answer, this is only the value of x here. So x is equal to 72 degree from here. So this is the answer in the third part. Now let us solve here the first part. We have to find the value of x here. So simply we have this one ADC as isosceles. So this will be also x degree here because the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now again here this and this side are equal. So this is equal to 48 degree from here. Now we have to find the value of x. So we can simply write as whole angle sum as 180 degree. So it will be 48 degree. So this is 48 degree here. Now we have this also as 48 degree if we add, because 48 plus 6 is the whole angle here. So this will be 48 plus x. Now this is x plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Now we can find the value from here. 2x plus 6 here, 96 equal to 180 degree. We can simply subtract this 180 degree minus 96 as 4 and here 17 minus 9 will be 8. So 2x is equal to 84. We will cancel out this part and x is equal to 42 from here. So the value of x here is 40 degree, 42 degree here. So this is the final answer here in this question. Let us solve the second part here. We have to find the value of x here also. So simply we have these two sides as equal and these two sides are equal. So this will be x degree because the angle opposite to equal sides is equal only. So x degree here also and x degree here also. Simply here we can find the angle ACD as angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So it will be 50 degree. This is 50 degree now we have, and again these two sides are equal, we will get here 50 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. Simply the whole sum of all the angles is 180 degree. We can write this angle as x degree. Here we have x degree plus 50, the whole angle. So this will be x degree plus 50 here and equal to 180 degree. So we can simply write it as 2x plus 100 equal to 180, and this will be 2x is equal to 180 minus 100, and 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 here. So this is the answer of the second part here. So the final answer means the value of x here is 40. Now let us solve here the third part. We have to find this whole angle here, x degree. Simply we have this angle and this angle equal because these two sides are equal. We can simply write it as angle DAC plus angle ADC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Putting the value here, we can write DAC is equal to ADC. So it will be 2 DAC plus 56 degree equal to 180 degree. So subtracting this, we will get DAC is equal to 180 degree minus 56 degree. So which will be 4 here, and 17 minus 5 will be 12. We will divide this part as angle DAC. So we will get 62 degree here. So angle DAC is equal to 62 degree. Now we want to find the value here, because this angle is 62 degree, means these two angles sum is the exterior angle. So we can write angle DAC is equal to angle BAD plus angle ABD. So let it be these two angles are also equal because these are two sides which are equal. So opposite angle to the opposite sides are same only. So we can write here as 2 BAD because these two angles are equal only, and here DAC is equal to 62 degree, we have proved above here. So this will be 31 degree. From here we got it as BAD. Angle BAD is equal to 32 degree. Means this angle here is this one whole angle is x degree, and this angle we have found it as 62 degree. This is also 62 degree. This is the exterior angle of this one, and this is 31 degree. This is also here 31 degree. Now we have to find the value of this whole angle, which is the value here x has. So BAC is equal to angle BAD plus angle DAC. Simply we will add this 31 plus 62 equal to 3 here, and this will be 93 degree. So this is the final answer, means the angle here is 93 degree. Now let us solve first part here. So to solve this, firstly we will join this D and B here. As these two sides are equal, we can say that this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle here, because these two sides are also congruent. Simply to find this, we can write firstly to find CDB. So CDB here, this is equal to DBC, because these two sides are equal, angles are equal. Now to find the value of this, we can write CDB plus angle DBC plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. Simply putting the value, we can write it as 2 CDB, because these two angles are equal, plus angle 116 equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 angle CDB is equal to 180 degree minus 116. So this will be 4 here, and 17 minus 64 degree. And angle CDB is equal to 64 divided by 2. So it will be 32 degree here. Now to find the value, and this 32 degree is equal to angle DBC. Now this is the answer here. Again, to find the this angle, we can simply same process we will apply here, because ADB is equal to angle ABD. We can write it as angle ADB plus angle ABD plus angle DAB equal to 180 degree. We will put the value here. On putting, we can write it as 2 ADB plus 54 degree equal to 180 degree. We will subtract this value. So 2 ADB is equal to 180 degree minus 54 equal to 6 here, and 17 minus 5 will be um, 7126. We will divide with 2 only. So we will get the angle ADB. So this will be 63 degree, which is equal to angle ABD also. So this we have found here. Again, from this we can conclude that this CDB is equal to DBC here, which is 32 degree. And again, this is also 32 degree. And here also we got it as 63 degree equal to 63 degree. Now here in this question, we want to find the value of ABC. So angle ABC, from here we can write it as ABD, angle ABD plus angle CBD. So this is uh, here also we have DBC, means here DBC only, this is angle, and here ABD is equal to 63 degree. So we can simply write this as 63 plus 32 degree as 95 degree as the final answer. So this is the value of angle ABC in this question here. Let us solve here the sixth question. In the figure given below, BC is equal to CD. Then we have to find the angle ACB. Simply here we have 138, so we can find, this is a straight line, so we can find this angle, and as these two sides are congruent, this angle is equal to this angle. So here angle CDB is equal to 180 minus 116. So here this is 4. Now we can subtract 17 minus 16, 64 degree. This is 64 here, and this 64 is equal to this 64. Now simply we can find the angle DCB. So here angle DCB is equal to 180 degree minus 128 degree. Subtracting this, we will get 17 minus 12 will be 52 degree. So from here we find that DCB is equal to 52 degree, and here the value of this angle is, by subtracting 180, because it is straight line, 180 minus 138, we can write as 217 minus 39, 17 minus 13 as 42 degree. So this is 42. Now simply we can find here also this angle DCA. So angle DCA is equal to 180 degree minus here 8 and 11 plus 4 will be 15. So 158 degree. Simply on subtracting this part also, we will get here 17 and 22 degree. So this is 22 degree. Now we will add these two angles, which is DCA and this DCB. So from here adding this, we will get ACB. So angle ACB is equal to angle DCB, and here plus angle DCA. So it will be DCB is 52 degree plus 22 degree. We will add this, and here we will get 74 degree as the final answer of the second part. Let us solve the third part here, in which the given information is that AB is parallel to CD and CA is equal to CE. So we have these two angles are equal, because the angle opposite to equal sides are equal only. So If angle ACE here is 74 and angle BAE is equal to 15 degree, we have to find the value of x and y. Simply to find this, we have these two angles equal. We can write it as CAE equal to angle CEA as the same, which is the same angle. So these are equal angles here. We can write them as equal angles, and we can just add them as CAE plus angle CEA plus angle ACE is equal to 180 degree. Because the sum of the triangles angles is equal to 180 degree, we can put them as 2 CAE, as these two angles are equal, and say this is equal to 74 degree. So 74 degree equal to 180 degree. So CAE from here we can write as 180 degree minus 74 will be here 6, and here 70 minus 106 divided by 2 equal to 53 degree. So this is the value of angle CAE. This is 53 degree and this is also 53 degree. Now we have got. Again, to find the value of x, we can write as two opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle. So this will be here. This is 53 degree. This is 53 degree. This is equal to 74 degree. We can simply write angle CAE plus angle CEA is equal to x degree, because this is the exterior angle of this triangle. So CAE, and here, sorry, this is angle ACE. So CA is equal to 53 degree and this is 74 degree. So on adding this, we will get 7, and here 7 plus 5 will be 137. So this is the value of x here, means 137 degree is the angle here. 4 plus 3 will be 7, and 7 plus 5 will be, sorry, this is 12 here, 127 degree. Now we have to find the value of y. Again, to find this value, we can see here, this is here y is equal to, because this is co-interior angles between the two parallel lines. So here we can see that BAC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree, which is here sum of interior angles here. Putting the value here, we can find that angle BAC is equal to 53 degree plus 15 degree, and here ACD will be 74 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. Now we can find the value of y from here, as y is equal to 180 degree. We will add these three here. So we can simply 180 degree minus 140 degree we can say, and here this will be 8, and 17 minus 14 will be uh, 38 degree. So the value of angle y here is 38 degrees. So this is also the answer here, and this is equal to y here, and this is also the answer. This is the value of x and this is the value of y here. Let us solve the seventh question here, which is given here in triangle ABC. AB is equal to BC here. AB is equal to AC, sorry, and angle A is 5x plus 20 degree, and each of the base angles is 2 by 5th of angle A, means 5x plus 20. We have to find the measure of angle A. So firstly, these two angles are equal, as we have these angles equal because these two opposite sides are equal here. So here we can write it as, because these three angles, the sum is 180 degree only. We will put it as 5x plus 20, firstly angle A, then angle B as 2 by 5, 5x plus 20, and then C also this is same. So we can write here to angle B, because angle B and angle, sorry, this is to angle B equal to 180 degree, because here we have angle B equal to angle C, as it is the angle between opposite angle of two equal sides. Simply we can write again, putting the value here 5x plus 20, here the angle B as 2 by 5, here 2 into 2, because here also it is 2, and here 5x plus 20 equal to 180 degree. From here we will get the value of x. So simply solving this, we will get 5x plus 20 plus 4 by 5, and 5 will be cancelled out, so it will be 4x plus 4 here again, 4 into 4 will be 16 only. So this is 16 equal to 180 degree. Adding this part, we will get 9x plus 36 equal to 180 degree, and this will be 9x equal to 180 degree minus 36, which will be 4 here, and 17 minus 3 will be 144. We will divide by 9x. On dividing it, we will get 54. So this will be 6. X is equal to 16 degree now. So this is the angle here. Now we have to find the measure of angle A. From here, angle A is equal to 5 into 16 plus 20. So this will be 85 into 16 plus 20 degree equal to 100. Means angle A from here we got as 100. This is only we have to find. So this is the answer of the seventh question. Let us solve the eighth first part. In the figure here given below, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Means if ABC is an equal triangle and AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, so these if these sides are equal, these angles are also equal according to the rule that if two sides are equal, the opposite angles will be equal only. So these three angles are equal. From here we can write A equal to angle B equal to angle C, and this is equal to 60 degree in the equilateral triangle. Simply from this we can conclude that here this exterior angle is equal to the sum of these opposite angles. So we can get as ACE is equal to 60 degree plus 60 degree of angle CAB and angle ABC. We can write it as 120 degree. From here we got it as 120 degree and this as 60 degree. Now from this part we have to find that AEC angle AEC. Again we have these two angles are equal because these two sides are equal means the opposite angles are equal only. From here we can write it as angle these angles are equal means angle CAE equal to angle CEA. Again if these two angles are equal we can write CAE plus angle CEA plus angle ACE equal to 180 degree. We can simply write it as um, 2 angle CAE equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. This will be 60 degree divided by 2. We can write it as 30 degree. Means angle CAE is equal to 30 degree from here. If this angle is equal to 30 degree, we can write it as angle CAE is also 30 degree. From here we found the value of ACE. Firstly we found ACE as 120 degree. So here we can write ACE is equal to 120 degree and here AEC we have to find. Means this is CEA, sorry, this is CEA. So simply we got AEC also, angle AEC. We can say this AEC also. Here we can write it as AEC. So AEC from here we got it as 30 degree. So this is the final answer here in this question. Now, the eighth question here is, in the figure given below, we have to prove that BAD ratio ADB means this ratio ADB and BAD is equal to 3:1. We have to prove. Firstly, from this only diagram, we can see that these two angles and these two angles are equal because of equal sides. So here ACB and ADC is equal because of equal angles here opposite to equal sides. Simply, we can write this also CAD equal to ADC. We will add these first and second equation. On adding, we will get BAC plus CAD means BAC and here CAD, and again ACB and here ADC. We can simply write it as BAC plus CAD as whole thing BAD, this BAD, and this is equal to ACB and here ADC. Now in triangle ACD, we can write here this exterior angle as equal to CAD and ADC. Again this we got as, and CAD is equal to ADC, we can write it as 2ADC. ACB is equal to 2ADC. This angle is equal to 2ADC. Now we will put the value of ACB here. So angle BAD is equal to 2 angle ADC. Now we can find its ratio as BAD divided by ADC is equal to 3:1 from here. Sorry, this is 3 here. So it is 3:1. Hence proved from here. Hence proved. Here the eighth third part is, in the figure given below, AB is parallel to CD and we have to find the value of x, y, z. Simply firstly, CEA is the exterior angle of triangle CED. So these opposite angle sum is equal to CEA, and if these two sides are equal, y is equal to CEA because angle opposite to equal sides is equal. So here we get 24 plus 42 and adding this we will get 66 degree which is equal to y. Again, in the triangle here, ACE means in this triangle, we have this AC is equal to CE and here CAE is equal to CEA. Again, Y plus Z plus CEA is equal to 180 degree. Now we can find the value from here of Z, that is equal to 48 degree. Again, AB is parallel to CD. To find the value of X, we have angle X and angle ADC. Here this angle ADC is alternate angles because these two sides are parallel. Simply we can write it as alternate angle and x is equal to 42 degree from here. Hence from this 2, 3 and 4th equation we get x as 42, y as 66 and z is equal to 48 degree. So this is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the ninth question here. In the adjoining figure, D is the midpoint of BC. Means from here we can say BD is equal to DC. This is given as D is the midpoint here. Again DE and DF are perpendicular, means angle DEB equal to angle DFC is equal to 90 degree. This is also given to us because they are perpendicular to AB and AC respectively, such that DE is equal to DF, means this line is equal to this line. So here we can say that DE is equal to DF. This is also given to us. From these three informations which is given to us, we can say that this is proved that triangle DEB equal to triangle DFC are congruent by RHS rule of congruency. Right angle hypotenuse side rule of congruency we have proved here. So this is the thing here. Now we have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. From here we can simply say that if DEB means this angle and this DFC are congruent, so here we have AB is equal to AC because because here these two angles are equal, angle B and angle C, because of the congruency of DEB. From here we can write angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT, and if angle B is equal to angle C, these two sides AB is equal to ABC. From here we can conclude that AB is equal to AC, and hence from here it is proved that this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So this is isosceles triangle here, hence proved from here.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.